Alright guys, so today we have a John Deere 1585 series terrain cut mower. If you haven't seen it, it's a little air conditioned cab, which I'll either have another video of it or I'll do a video altogether and do a little bit of upgrades to it. This is the 72-inch side discharge deck, and I've ordered the John Deere mulch kit. Pretty much for mulch kits, you're gonna mow lower, grass that you're gonna mow as high grass, but you're gonna be a lot better off. There's the part number right there. This is for the 72-inch side discharge. It's probably the same part number for the 0 turns. Don't hold me to that, but same concept. Basically, it encloses each one of these blades, and we're gonna block off the discharge so you don't blow grass in either direction. And when you don't blow the grass, basically, it makes it easier to mow. Not have to worry about blowing clippings in your pool and stuff like that. I mow pretty often. I keep my grass usually between 2 to 3.5 inches, so plenty of power on this machine. This is almost 37 horse diesel machine. So I'm gonna put the mulch kit on it and see how I like it. So let me knock these blades off real quick. Can't hold the camera to get that done, and we'll walk you through the steps of putting this thing on. Okay, now we've got the blades off. This will be the first piece you install right here. This is the block for the flat. If you look, there's a little recess right there. I'll scrape a little bit of that off. Goes down in that recess. Bolts go there through the top of the deck. We'll go ahead and get this bolted up. Okay, so once you get the block in, you've got 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4 up top. Then you'll put the second piece on here. Goes through, there's a deck bolt that goes through the deck here, and then 2 more bolts up here. So we'll go ahead and get this piece tightened down and move on to the next step. Alright, so this is what the full kit looks like installed. You can see it's closed off the chambers. The deck was pre-drilled in all the places. You had 2 that go through the floor right here, 2 that go here. There's one on that side and one on the other side. And then all of these were pre-drilled, even these up here, except for you had to drill this one out here, and you had to drill down here into the deck on the two dividers. But once you do that, that's pretty much it. And those blades look a little different. If you look, they just drop down compared to the standard blade. Let me grab one of those real quick. Of course, the standard blades look like they had a little bit higher fin, and they were flat. These actually, what's interesting, they're a little bit bowed. They're like that from John Deere, but they cut really good without the mulch kit. But really interested to see how this does. So got the deck scraped off a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around, hook up my PTO shaft, and we'll see if it makes any difference as far as the wind noise, air noise. Some pretty tall grass today. It's already a little bit dark this evening. Got the mulch kit on, and if you can look, we'll turn around here in just a sec. I'll show you behind me. This grass was pretty tall when I started, but as you can see, I just came back here on the old fence line because I had some taller grass back here, and it's dry because it's been raining a lot. But as you can see with the mulch kit, we're not discharging anything. It's mowing it pretty good. That was the height that I was mowing it. So really nice to not have clippings to worry about. We're building up on you. And on this mower, being the horsepower it is, it hasn't slowed it down at all. Like that. Alright guys, so the John Deere 1585 terrain mower, got the mulch kit on. You've seen what it does. You can get that kit for 0 turns or for cab tractor, whatever. Really like the way it cuts on this unit. I wouldn't have it without it. I've got another video coming out. We're going to address, there's some really good reviews on YouTube on this 1585 mower. It's about dust coming in the cab. There's a couple little spots that you can correct. I've got the stuff ordered. It should have all came in today. I'm going to be working on the video to kind of show y'all how to get this cab sealed off and a little bit better insulated. Did the ceramic coating, already made a huge difference. It's probably about 90 degrees outside today, and inside this cab I've got it probably about 65. It's really cool. It feels really good in here. So anyway, I want to thank you again for watching. The next video will be out soon. Please hit that like and subscribe down the bottom right hand corner. We're going to catch you on the next video. Thanks again.